Hello and welcome to Food and Barbecue. So I've got this piece of chuck roast. It's about 2 pounds. It's not very big, but I want burgers. So I figured I need to restore or actually bring back to functioning stage a meat grinder that I found at the thrift store today. So let's do that. Okay, there we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt down some coconut butter, coconut fat. Then I'm going to take this apart. This is moving more or less freely, but I need to season it up. It's a little bit rusty, but that's going to be okay. The knife is actually pretty sharp. There we go. Let's see the pieces that we have. Okay, so this consists of a fastening ring. There's only one small hole, whatever, grate thing, cutting knife, the thing that pushes the meat forward, the winch, a holder for the winch, and the thing itself. Okay, I'm gonna let this melt down and I'll bring you back. Okay, there we go. So I've washed everything off, wiped it down as much as I can, and into all it goes. Deep fried metal. While this is cooking in the oil, I'm going to use a little whatever, nice, just to oil up all the internal pieces of this. I want this to move as freely as it possibly can. And I think the coconut fat will be good for that. We'll also put a protective surface on everything. So this was $7. I don't know when it's made. It's Swedish. It's Husqvarna. You might know it from like lawnmowers and stuff. They make all kinds of things. Washers, dryers, stuff like that. It's working nicely. Okay, there we go. Time to make a burger. But first, we need to assemble this. It has cooled down sufficiently. Knife towards the, I don't know, what do you call this? Someone can tell me in the comments. Let's see. It's turning nicely. I might get agitated while doing this. Anyway, I'm going to let it land on this because I'm just going to shape the burgers on there. But while we're waiting for that, I'm going to fry up some bacon. Someone might be wondering why I'm doing this on the little cast iron pan here. But the answer is simple. It's just too hot to turn the kettle on. So, yeah, should probably start this. No rush. Just going to put them in there. So I'm going to fry up half the bacon and I'm actually going to grind the other half. So I'm going to start out by probably cut that into small pieces like that. Just see what we get. You can hear a sound. I need some meat. So what I did was cut up the meat in chunks. I removed the connective tissue and let some silver skin be there. It doesn't really make that much of a difference. I want you to see this, if it works. And then well, it is moving the right direction. So I'm gonna get this done and I'll keep you on the sideline. Okay, so what we have here are some wasps and some, it's pretty coarsely grained. It's okay. I'm actually going to keep the last bit here. I'm going to fry that up for the dogs. So I'm going to make this into 4 burgers. I'm just going to shape them kind of loosely like this. Pat them together. It's not rocket science. I don't want them to be too hard. There we go. 4, I would say, about half-pound hamburgers. Time to put these burgers on. I'm gonna flip them. Pepper. A little bit of salt. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. Time to flip these and see what we have and give them a crush on the other side. Alright, it's looking good. They are maybe a tiny bit too loose, but it's gonna be good. There we go. So it's been a couple of more minutes with the lid on. Time to put some cheese on this. So I've got some Herrgård, which is Swedish hard cheese. It's pretty mild, but you can use whichever cheese you want. Hopefully this will melt. Usually does. So I don't know how I counted that, but just put a little bit of cheese over there. Something like so. Lid back on. Time to make a burger. So we got a ciabatta, one of those prefab things that you kind of just bake up. And then we're gonna start off by adding a little bit of salad to this. On top of that, I've got some hot sauce relish mayo. Then we're gonna add a burger to this. There we go. And we got a couple of tomatoes, just like so. Oh yeah, forgot about that. Some bacon and a lid. And there we go. Home ground chuck roast burger thingy. Well, I'm gonna take a picture and I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, it's too big. I'm gonna try it anyway. I've really been wanting a burger for days, and this was really good. Thank you for watching. Bye.